Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here again, but I'm here with something different. Today I'm going to be doing a luxury haul unboxing with a few items that I actually purchased during and before this pandemic started. So I'm going to show you guys a couple items that I got because I thought I was going on vacation, but coronavirus had other plans and canceled my trip. But I still want to share with you guys a few pickups that I got. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with these Louis Vuitton sandals that I got. It's a flat mule, and this is how they look. So I really love these sandals because I'm just into all the extra stuff. Like, I feel like these shoes are definitely a statement piece, especially, you know, right now, spring, summer, you just want to pop a color with all your outfits. It has the original monogram print, as you can see. That's the band of the sandal, but it also has like these cute little, I don't even know what to call these, but I just really love this about the sandal. Next purchase from Louis Vuitton that I got is this super cute silk monogram scarf. And when I got it, I was really hoping that it would match my shoe, but it doesn't really match it. So I was a little disappointed. I really thought that the pink would go. It kind of goes, but I just feel like these two are doing too much. But you guys let me know in the comments if you think that, you know, they go or not. So a scarf like this retails for about $400, so I just really had to get a new scarf. So for me, with my scarves, I either wear them on my head or around my shoulders, but I just really wanted to get a scarf because I just feel like I don't have a lot of scarves in my closet. So this is something new, really cute for spring, especially because of the colors. That's cute. Just throw it over your shoulders, just like that. And I know a lot of people like using the scarves for bags and stuff like that, but I think I'm just gonna see myself wearing this one more, you know, around my neck and around my shoulders. Alright, up next in my unboxing is something that I wanted for so long, and I finally got them. Like, I literally wanted this item since last summer, so this is an old season and you guys are just probably gonna drag me, but I don't care. There are these Dior sunglasses that I just, oh my god, I'm so happy that I finally got these. So you guys can see this is how it looks when it came in the box. These are the Dior So Light sunglasses. So I got them in the blush pink, and I'm trying them on for you guys. Ooh, my lashes are long, so it's giving me a hard time. But this is how they look on. See, now this is why I'm really upset that I couldn't go on my vacation, because I was trying to bring some looks, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna just show you guys instead. So these are the glasses. You can't tell me that these are not super cute. So it comes with this black case in the box, which I'm not really a fan of the case because I prefer hard cases, because I'm literally always throwing my sunglasses in my bag. So I think they could have did a little better with the case, something a little bit more protective, but this is the case that it comes with. So that's how it looks on this inside. So alright, next up, I'm going back to Louis real fast. So what I got in this box is actually something I bought back in February and still haven't gotten a chance to wear them. I don't know when I'm gonna wear them ever, but soon, hopefully. So these are some sandals that I got from Louis, and I know they're very different, but I just love things that stand out and make a statement. So it's kind of like a clog sandal. These retail for about $1,200. I just love this. It's like a little clog. It also has the monogram in the front and a studded detail on the back strap, which I'm absolutely in love with. So I'm hoping I get to wear these soon to go somewhere actually. But I think these are one of the new sandals that they dropped this season, and if you guys can still get your hands on them, I recommend them because from trying them on, they're super, super comfortable. So this was another purchase that I got. Alright, so next up, still with Louis. This is another must-have item that I had to have, so I finally got it. So this is the Louis Vuitton. Ooh. This is the box Scott bag. So this bag, so technically it's not a bag. It is actually supposed to be a home decor piece, but if you purchase one of their scarves, which is actually another item that I got when I got the bag, you could turn your decoration item into a bag. So I'm actually gonna put this on so you guys can see how it looks together, and I'll show you how that works. All right, so I tried to tie it. I'm not a pro at this, but this is basically how the bag looks after you tie the scarf to it, and it's super cute. This is like a great club bag, brunch bag. I would definitely wear this to brunch. I just have a thing for clear bags recently, and I love Louis Vuitton, so I definitely had to have this in my closet. So this is one of my favorite purchases out of this whole unboxing, because I feel like this is something that I'm really gonna have for a really, really long time. Like if I had a daughter, she will have this. Like this bag is just really nice. All right, next up, we are here with Alexander Wang. So a little backstory about these shoes right here. These are probably the only shoes that ever really stressed me out, because I thought I wasn't getting them, then I got them, then when I got them I really didn't get them. Long story short, right now ordering things online, I guess they're being really specific about, you know, card information and stuff like that. So my boyfriend got me these shoes. He was, I guess, planning to surprise me, but long story short, if you don't have the matching billing and shipping address, your order could get canceled. So long story short, the order got canceled. I ordered the last pair. Well, he ordered the last pair in my size, got canceled. We had to go through a whole email process with them to get the shoes again in the last size. I really thought I was not going to get this shoe because it was the last one left, but got the shoe. So let me stop chatting and show you guys what I got. So it comes with a dust bag, which is, you know, necessary, especially when you're traveling. You always want to make sure you put your shoes into a dust bag. So these are the Alexander Wang Nova Heel sandals. So I wanted these shoes for a super, super, super long time. I actually originally wanted them in black, but they were no longer available in black, so I settled for white, which is also very nice. These shoes are super, super comfortable, and once again, it has the PVC clear detail, which is something that I just love. So super cute shoes. Thankfully, they're good with these. But yeah, so it comes with the strap detail that has the logo on the back, and I don't know when I'm gonna get to wear these, but I hope it's sometime soon because I'm actually really excited about these shoes. These are the kind of shoes that I like to get, because shoes like this could really go with any outfit. So I like my shoes to be very versatile as well, especially my heels. Okay, last item on this luxury shopping haul is from, you guys see that? Oh, it's so bright. This is from Dior. So I'm about to get into what's in this bag, but I'm very happy about this purchase because it was my first purchase from Dior. Just some items that I actually really wanted. Like everything else that I showed you guys in this haul are things that I actually really wanted. I'm not the kind of shopper where I just buy things that I just buy. I have to have had my eye on it for a little while before I made the investment with the purchase. So I got 2 items. And these are the 2 things. So I'm gonna start with the shoes first. These are some sandals with dust bags. So let's see. So I got these Dior, Christian Dior sandals in navy blue. So when I first got these sandals, I thought that I would be wearing them on the beach or something, but now I'm just waiting for quarantine to be lifted so I can wear them somewhere in New York. But these are something that I think every girl should have in their closet, especially this color. It's the most popular color that Dior carries. It also comes in a burgundy, and I think that their newest color for this season was gray, but I just had to have the navy. It just has the Christian Dior logo on the front, and then you see the logo inside on the sole. So I didn't mention to you guys, I wear either a 37.5 or a 38. These shoes I actually got in a 37.5. Every other shoe that I showed you guys was a 38. But for some reason, these actually run a little big. So if you do want to get them, I suggest to go half size down, not a full size, a half size down. So this was the first thing that I got from Dior, and I'm going to show you guys my second purchase. So this item that I got is a little belt bag. I just felt like, you know, since this is my first Dior purchase, why not also get a bag? So I am a huge fan of mini bags, and when I saw this one, I just had to have it. Like when I first went to the store, I initially just went to get these sandals, and I just said, you know what, get the bag too. So it's a cute little matching bag to go with my sandals. It comes with a leather belt strap that basically gets connected to the back of the bag, and I could wear it on my waist as a belt bag. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. Alright, thank you guys for tuning into this video. That is all for this luxury haul unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed all the items that I showed you guys, and I hope you guys liked the items that I picked. This was my first time doing a video like this on my channel, so comment and let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.